I am Igors Tipands and I'm Deputy Rector of Riga Technical University. I think it very much depends from economic development of Vietnam. It's a very dynamic country, economy is very dynamic, and usually in such cases country needs very good engineers and IT specialists. And that's exactly Riga Technical University can offer. We are a very large international public university, having more than 4,000 international students, huge number. About 65% are coming from Asia. So not so many from Vietnam. We have only 7 students from Vietnam, but I believe we have a lot of potential here. What I've seen in several countries, not just Vietnam, in this region of Asia, that there are typical destinations for students, which is UK, Australia, US, Canada. But I think students really need to look more at Europe, especially north of Europe, which is having a large potential, especially as for dynamics in IT sector, artificial intelligence, different innovations. They are mostly coming now from the northern part of Europe. And that's something we can offer. Like our university, we are having our design factory, we are having a very strong program in computer systems, which is the largest, I think, for international students. So many things to offer. It should be combined. It's not an easy market if you think about Latvia and the Baltic countries in general. It should be understood, but I think there's combinations that you get your basic engineering education, which is really of good quality, but affordable for many Vietnamese families as well. So basically we talk about 12,000 euros, which is annual budget for everything, including tuition fee, accommodation, and living expense. I think it's quite attractive for many families now. I really like. I like this format, that it's not so crowded, and in fact you have a lot more that very essential talk with different agencies, different companies, in fact, which is very good for the start to establish our being in this large education area of Vietnamese students.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.